Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create this incredible custom candy paint job using Limeline Metal Flake, flexible tape, candy paint, and a few simple stencil techniques. Let's get started. First, we'll start by cleaning and sanding the panel. If your panel isn't already black, you'll need to apply a black base coat first. Mixing your base coat 1-to-1 with urethane reducer and applying 3 to 4 coats until you achieve full coverage. Next, we're going to mix up Limeline Silver Metal Flake. Each packet contains both .004 and .008 flake sizes, and mixes into 1 pint of clear coat, clear base coat, or inner coat clear. Using a 1.3 tip or larger, apply light, even coats in different directions, allowing 5 to 10 minutes flash time between coats until you achieve the amount of sparkle you're looking for. Once the flake is laid down, it's time to bury it in clear. We're using a high solids 2K clear coat mixed at a 2-to-1 ratio. We're going to apply 4 to 5 coats. The goal here is to completely build over the texture of the flake so we can sand it smooth later. After the clear is cured, we'll level the surface and start laying out the graphics using 1/8 inch and 1/16 inch flexible tape. I like building off the body of the existing contours to create graphics that flow naturally across the panel. Next, we'll use a variety of stencils, including grunge, honeycomb, and a lace pattern to build layers and texture and create a depth and dimension of the paint job. Now it's time to add the finishing touch with the red candy. Mix the ready-to-go 1-to-1 with urethane reducer. Then apply light, even coats. Remember, candy gets darker and richer with every pass, so build the color gradually until you achieve the depth and the vibrance that you're looking for. Finally, we'll lock everything down with 3 to 4 coats of 2K clear coat, bringing out the incredible depth, gloss, and color. And that's it. From black base coat, metal flake, custom graphics, candy color, and a show quality clear coat, you've got yourself a true candy custom paint job. If you have any questions, drop them down into the comments. Be sure to check out all my other paint tutorials, and as always, thank you for watching.